Does the water not spray when you pull the trigger of your pressure washer? Does the handle leak water? If so, you likely need a new trigger handle. The trigger handle contains the valve that allows you to spray and stop spraying water. The wand and the high pressure hose attach to the trigger handle. The most common problems with the trigger handle are damage caused by accidentally dropping it or by improper winter storage. Dropping the trigger handle can break any of the plastic housings, the trigger, or the wand fitting. If water is left in the wand during winter, it can freeze and cause the valve to crack. This will cause the wand to leak water from inside the housings. Replacing the trigger handle is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the wand from the trigger handle. It just simply presses in and twists to remove. If your high pressure hose is still attached to the trigger handle, you'll want to remove it next. I'll unscrew the coupler, and then I can pull the hose away. If the hose has been in place for an extended period of time, it's possible that the fitting on the hose may have corroded to the fitting on the trigger handle, in which case it'll be a little more difficult to remove. The easiest way to do that is to pull the sheath back, the coupling will drop off with it, and now I have access to the fitting. I'll use a pair of adjustable pliers to remove the fitting from the wand. Spin it side to side to loosen it, and then work the two apart. Now I can install the new trigger handle. I'll pull this protective covering away from the threads, and I like to apply a little bit of grease to the fitting on the hose. In this case, I'm using a little bit of silicone grease. This will make the two couplings fit together a little better, a little easier, and also extend the life of the O-ring. Now I can tighten it up. This doesn't have to be super tight, basically just until it bottoms out. The O-ring inside is what makes the seal between the high pressure hose and the trigger handle. The threads are only there to secure it. So you don't need to put thread tape or anything on there if it's leaking. If it's leaking, the O-ring is the problem. And now I'll reinstall the wand. I slide the two pieces together and then give it a twist to lock. And the pressure washer is ready for use. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.